Okay, right here in the back, right there, we have a very buried TRANE air conditioner, and there's a very special thing about this air conditioner. Okay, it's an XE11, 1000, and there's a very special thing about this air conditioner. If you take a look inside of the things in here, you'll notice something that is very unusual about air conditioners. Notice it? Tell me in the comments if you can guess. Like, just take a good look at that right there. It's a high efficiency Weathertron heat pump. Let's see what climate tough. Climate tough precipitating compressor, and here's the data sheet. It is from 90. That or 96, but yeah. Tell me. Do you notice anything? Okay. Over and out.